The following video is intended for general audiences. It may contain coarse language, bad puns, suggestive images, and bad advice. It probably just contains retro computer crap. But don't try this at home, even if I tell you to.
Fillies and Gentle Colts, the show you're about to see involves heavy particle effects and scripting. For the sake of others, please remove any unnecessary HUDs and scripts, and deactivate any particle generating effects. Prepare to be amazed. Our show will begin now.
To witness the amazing, show-stopping ability of the Mare of Magic. Presenting the most magical unicorn in Equestria, the one, the only, the great and powerful Trixie! That's right, ponies. The great and powerful Trixie is finally back to astound and amaze you all. Trixie will ask for volunteers to come on stage with Trixie like a true fan. Decide now if you will help and be ready. Prepare for an experience never before experienced by pony eyes. It's time to get started! Trixie will start simple. A warm-up that's a staple of any good magician. The card trick. You should see a set of cards on the banner over the stage. Trixie commands you to choose one and keep it a secret. Study that one card. Know it well. Now, Trixie reaches into your mind, and your card is gone! Applause is welcome, but now Trixie wants to demonstrate a powerful artifact she reacquired a few moons ago. That's right, my little ponies, the Alicorn Amulet, the most powerful of all the known artifacts. And now, Trixie will use the power of this amulet to summon a beast most foul to this very stage. Utterly terrifying. It has been a long time since Trixie has put on a show. You are all very lucky ponies. Trixie could not deny her fans forever. It's just too important to let every pony see her greatness. With that, Trixie has a few treats for a few lucky ponies in the audience. But remember to show Trixie your love. Trixie now wants to present a most dramatic stunt discovered in another land. Trixie presents the amazing Scary Box 5000! Trixie will need a volunteer from the audience, some pony brave. Who will help Trixie? Watch in awe. Ah, a brave young filly steps forth.
Input name Sweetie Belle.
Good, good. Now, tell Trixie where you are from.
Life is a journey.
And how are you feeling to be working with the great and powerful Trixie?
The chances of success are 100%.
Now, Trixie needs you to hop on the pose ball for the box. Now stay there no matter what. Trixie will lower you into the box. Are you comfortable?
The fun begins immediately.
Good. Now stay very still. Trixie presents the scary part. Give Trixie a little room here. Trixie will step out of the way now. Excuse Trixie. No pony spoiled the surprise for our friend in the box now. In a world before time, 10 saws faced one crate in an eternal battle, and the great Nefertiti decreed... Oh, Pony Feathers, Trixie isn't going to tell the whole silly story. Let's just give our friend a push, shall we? Keep your eyes on the box. Another amazing trick by the great and powerful Trixie. And now, Trixie would like to tell a story. Would any pony like to hear a story? Trixie is going to tell you the story of the Royal Alicorn Sisters. She is going to need volunteers to play our dear princesses. First, who would like to play Princess Celestia? Please come stand on the white pose ball, then add the Celestia costume Trixie will give you. No Notice how the ball is not pink. Trixie got it right the first time. Your job will be to raise the sun. Can you do it now? Don't worry, Trixie is here to help you do it. Now Trixie needs someone to play Princess Luna. Please come up here and stand on the blue pose ball, then add the Luna costume Trixie will give you. Trixie is better than M.A. Larson. He only made one alicorn princess. Okay, Luna, your job will be to raise the moon. And Trixie can tell that you need some help with that. Just stay there. Finally, Trixie needs to know if there are any fans of Princess Twilight Sparkle out there. Well, that's okay. Trixie isn't much of a fan either. Is every pony ready? Good! Now Trixie will tell the story of the royal princesses. Once upon a time, in the magical land of Equestria, there were two royal sisters. The eldest used her unicorn powers to bring forth the sun. Princess Celestia, please command the sun to come forward using your magical voice.
What ho, tally, pip, pip, and all that rot?
If you say so, Princess. Unfortunately, the younger sister's beautiful knight was often neglected by the pony she worked so hard to impress. And so, she grew resentful, and anger filled her heart until one day she refused to lower the moon and decreed... Princess Luna, this is your cue. Say your line.
Oh, darkness rules, yeah!
That's not quite how Trixie remembers it, but okay. Who in the audience thinks that the story should have ended there? You ponies are awful! Of course it can't end there! All seemed lost. This terrible rift between two sisters. Who could possibly help in this dire situation? But then, the great and powerful Trixie arrived! Using her amazing magic, she separated the sun and the moon. And thus allowed the two sisters to live forever in harmony. And that today's Trixie story. Thank you, Princess Celestia and Princess Luna. Please step down. And of course, you may keep Trixie's magnificent costumes. Trixie would like to thank you all. You've been a fantastic audience. Trixie's show isn't over yet. She has one more special presentation for you. But if you enjoyed the show so far, don't forget to tip Trixie. Just pay the stage. Tips over 25 Linden earn an autographed picture of Trixie. If you are having fun, Trixie wants to hear it, especially during the finale. In awe. That's Trixie's show. Trixie would like to thank Margie and Toomba for technical and pyrotechnical assistance. Trixie would like to thank Haylizabeth for Trixie's voice. And thank you for Childless Dragon for the introduction voiceover. Most of all, Trixie thanks all of you for being such loyal fans after such a long time. Trixie hopes to meet each and every one of you at her next show.